What's up, guys? Today we're going to be building a double to a rock garden. We first begin by clearing the trail and getting all of the vegetation out of the way. After the trail was cleared, we used dirt and covered the path to make it nice and packed down and easy to ride. To cover the path, we first filled our wheelbarrow with dirt and then collected several piles on the path. After that, we spread it out and packed it down. As you can see, our wheelbarrow might be a little bit broken. Very nice.
Delicious.
After we finished spreading and packing the dirt along the trail, we began work on the double. As you do with any other jump, we piled up our dirt, packed each layer down, and then shaped it.
Chimp out! You didn't chimp out!
Once we finished testing our newly made double, we began work on the rock garden. Special thanks to MTBxSA for giving us this idea in the comment section. If you would like to give an idea, please make sure to write it in the comment section below.
Missed.
After having transported our rocks and putting them in a pile, we began work on making the actual rock garden itself. To do this, we simply dug in the rocks and packed them down into the ground. On this day, it was really easy because the ground was already super wet and muddy from rain. Once we finished the rock garden, we started building a new feature, which was a rock roller. This idea was given to us by Blue Creek Mountain Biking. They had a comment that says to build a jump with rocks inside of it. Even though this idea didn't win the poll, we still really liked it and decided to use it. So special thanks to Blue Creek Mountain Biking. Once we finished packing down and perfecting our trail, we tested it, and we rode it a lot. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please make sure you leave a like and go check out the channel for some other cool videos. Please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
So close. Back up.
Quiet. The toxin's in its natural habitat. Look at that thing dig. It's a digging machine, guys. Look out. it's gonna dig all the way to China.
Yeah, we gotta get multiple angles.